Hello everyone, do you remember this paper flower I made before? If you are interested to the tutorial, click here for the old tutorial. Look at this paper flower. Since this is my first time to make this type of paper flower, it looks a little bit flat. So on this tutorial, I try to change the design to make the petal taller and use another ways to stick the petal on the machine. Let's check if we can get the effect looks much more three-dimensional. Okay, now let's go. Okay, first of all, we cut our new petal template. Look, compare with our old template. Look, this one much larger and taller. Okay then, let's cut some crepe paper. I make 3 petals because on today's design, I will only use 3 petals each layer. Okay, now let's put some iron wire on the petal. Okay, then I make 3 sides of the petal. 3 sides. And now, let's install it on our machine. Look at this machine, there are 6 branches. On my old design, I will install the petal on every branch. But today's, I will just install 3 petals on the branch. Look at this. We can install it as my old tutorial. I will install it to tie the screw will be okay. But this time I will use some hot glue, apply some hot glue here. Look, just apply some hot glue on the branch. Because I want it much more sturdy stick on the machine. The hot glue not good enough. Because I want it much more sturdy to stick on the branch. And also, we use the twist wire to tie this end on the branch to make sure it will sturdy on the machine. Okay then, let's install the other 2 petals. Okay, then let's install the smaller petal to this 3 branch. But this time we will not stick on this plate because this large petal stick on this plate, on this branch. But this time I will store it close to the center, like this. The reason of using the hot glue because it could much more easy for us to hold the petal on the machine. Okay, look, this is the second layer. I installed the smaller petal. And now I will install the smallest petal on the branch. step on the first layer will be okay. Okay, the third layer will install on the machine. And finally, I will put on our flower center. Just install on the pink will be okay. The detail about how to make the flower center, please check my old tutorial by click here. I don't repeat on this tutorial. And then, look at this. We need to bend the iron wire to adjust the shape and then adjust the shape of the flower. Okay, I adjust the petal and then adjust the flower shape like this. Okay, let's turn on to check the effect. Okay, before we turn on, let's check the whole effect. Compare with the old design, which flower shape you like. Okay, let's turn it on. Look. And also, listen. There's a little sound, a little noisy because I use the paper, so the paper makes the sound. If we change to use the fabric, we can avoid the noisy. And in the future, maybe in the future, I will show you the effect by using some fabric.